Hello mga ka-good vibes, ayan, at ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-click ng encashment dito sa new lifestyle. Kung mapapansin ninyo, ito yung amount na 2,500 ni Miss Christine. Ayan, so titignan, pupunta tayo dito sa dashboard, convert commission, e-wallet, encashment. So una yung i-click itong convert commission. Ko-convert nyo muna. Yan. Okay, pindutin natin. Yun o. Convert commission. Okay. So, dito sa convert commission, ayan ang mga makikita ninyo. Yan o. Username. Yan. Yung current niya. Yan. Ayan. Na-convert ko na pala. Na-click ko na kanina kaya lumabas na 2,150. Pero ang totoo niyan, dito kiniklik yan. Yan, click yan and then lalabas convert to e-wallet. Tapos makikita ninyo yun, convert commission. Ayan ang kiklik nyo. So, kanina na-click ko na yan, nagka-error lang pero biglang na-click na kaya naging 2,150 yung current wallet nya. Okay, ayan o, 2,150. May kaltas na yan, yung mga tax, ganon. And then kapag natapos nyo na ma-convert yung commission, pupunta na kayo dito sa, i-check nyo muna sa e-wallet. Yan. So, makikita nyo sa e-wallet, eto, scroll up natin. Makikita ninyo dito sa e-wallet, ayan na, 2,150 na. Nabawasan na siya, hindi na 2.5. Kanina 2.5 eh. So, punta na kayo para dito sa encashment. Yan, yan o, encashment. So, i-encash siya. Yan. Encashment. So, dito sa encashment, ayan, medyo matagal lang. Makikita nyo yung encash. Yan, sa encashment, makikita nyo yung encash. Yun. Ayan, so yun, encash na siya, makikita nyo 2,150. Ayan o. Ayan. Ayan ang minimum request natin, 1,200. So kapag ang pera nyo ay 1,000 lang doon sa dashboard, di pa siya pwedeng encash. So kanina 2,500 kaya ma-encash natin. So nakalagay dito, request type, cash, amount, yan, tintan, password. Okay, so dito request type cash, dito yung amount, ilalagay nyo yung amount, backspace nyo lang yan, ilalagay nyo yung amount. Yan, yung amount is 2,150. Yan, yun o, 2,150. Okay, so pagka na ano nyo na yung cash 2,150, pupunta na kayo dito, i-click nyo yung encash bonus. Yan, encash bonus. Ayan, encashment nakalagay, okay, encashment has been sent. Okay, ayan na. So i-click nyo lang yung okay. Yan, click nyo lang yung okay. Ayun. So, magiging 0 na yan. Ibig sabihin yan, ngayon Friday nyo, i-click, nag-encashment kayo ngayong Friday, and then next Friday, pwede nyo nang makuha ang inyong kita. Okay? So, yan lang for now. So, alam nyo na kung paano mag-encashment. Bye-bye!
Nag-uumpisa ka na bang magkaroon ng karamdaman? Or you just like to take extra care of yourself? Prevention is better than cure. To be healthier, younger, and happier, protect yourself from harmful free radicals and toxins. Take New Lifestyle Global Wellness Inc.'s world-class products to feel and experience the goodness of life. We have 1. New Lifestyle C. Sodium ascorbate with zinc alkaline, non-acidic, vitamin C with minerals. 100% made from alkaline forming fresh fruits and vegetable for only 990 pesos. 2. New Lifestyle Glutathione with Collagen. Also made of 100% all-natural ingredients for only 1,580 pesos. 3. 1 Upset New Lifestyle C and Glutathione for only 2,570 pesos. Helps strengthen the immune system, boosts energy, has antioxidants, anti-stress, anti-aging, and anti-inflammatory properties. Also help fight diseases like cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and more. Pwede sa bata, buntis, matanda, may karamdaman o wala. Philippine FDA and halal approved, as testified by our increasing number of satisfied and happy users nationwide, including our very own New Lifestyle Company medical consultants, Dr. Ariel T. Baira and Dr. Jose M. Oclarit. You can also be a New Lifestyle distributor and enjoy only income and savings and discounts up to 40%. Order now from our registered New Lifestyle distributor.